Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. Which English king led his troops to victory at the Battle of Agincourt in 1415? Is it A. Edward IV, B. Richard III, or C. Henry V? It is C. Henry V. What company did Mark Benioff co-found that specializes in cloud-based software? Is it A. Amazon, B. Salesforce, or C. Microsoft? It is B. Salesforce. What is Hyderabad famously known for in terms of cuisine? Is it A. biryani, B. sushi, or C. tacos? It is A. biryani. What is the primary genre of the song Dance Monkey by Tones and I? Is it A. pop, B. rock, or C. jazz? It is A. pop. What type of content is Philip DeFranco primarily known for on YouTube? Is it A. cooking tutorials, B. news commentary, or C. music covers? It is B. news commentary. What psychological defense mechanism involves attributing one's own mistakes to others? Is it A. rationalization, B. projection, or C. blame shifting? It is C. blame shifting. What is involved in archival research? Is it A. finding information, B. conducting experiments, or C. collecting data? It is A. finding information. What is the primary characteristic of a desert ecosystem? Is it A. high humidity, B. low precipitation, or C. dense forests? It is B. low precipitation. What is the primary use of platinum in industrial applications? Is it A. coins, B. jewelry, or C. catalysts? It is C. catalysts. What is the primary focus of the podcast, TED Talks Daily? Is it A. political news, B. inspiring ideas, or C. sports updates? It is B. inspiring ideas. What technology do smart grids primarily use to enhance electricity distribution and management? Is it A. wind turbines, B. coal generators, or C. digital meters? It is C. digital meters. What is Johannes Kepler best known for in astronomy? Is it A. invention of the telescope, B. discovery of gravity, or C. laws of planetary motion? It is C. laws of planetary motion. What mathematical concept is Blaise Pascal known for developing related to probability? Is it A. probability density, B. Pascal's triangle, or C. normal distribution? It is B. Pascal's triangle. What is the first of Newton's laws of motion commonly known as? Is it A. law of acceleration, B. law of inertia, or C. law of action-reaction? It is B. law of inertia. What is the main ingredient in the Thai soup tom kha? Is it A. chili pepper, B. tomato, or C. coconut milk? It is C. coconut milk. What is a brown dwarf primarily classified as in astronomy? Is it A. substellar object, B. main sequence star, or C. red giant star? It is A. substellar object. Which fashion designer is known for the Polo brand? Is it A. Ralph Lauren, B. Giorgio Armani, or C. Tommy Hilfiger? It is A. Ralph Lauren. What important classification of nutrients did Linus Pauling pioneer in his research? Is it A. vitamin C, B. protein synthesis, or C. minerals? It is A. Vitamin C. Which social media platform is Grayson Dolan best known for using to create comedy and lifestyle content? Is it A. TikTok, B. YouTube, or C. Instagram? It is B. YouTube. What is the primary focus of the Tim Ferriss Show? Is it A. Travel destinations, B. Cooking techniques, or C. Self-improvement? It is C. Self-improvement. What is the primary objective of the game Boggle? Is it A. Create drawings, B. Find words in a grid, or C. Roll dice? It is B. Find words in a grid. Where are the famous Moai statues located? Is it A. Hawaii, B. Easter Island, or C. Fiji? It is B. Easter Island. What type of animal eats both plants and meat? Is it A. Herbivore, B. Carnivore, or C. Omnivore? It is C. Omnivore. What type of tool is Power BI primarily used for? Is it A. Data visualization, B. Word processing, or C. Photo editing? It is A. Data visualization. What is the primary purpose of mycelium formation in fungi? Is it A. Photosynthesis, B. Nutrient absorption, or C. Seed dispersal? It is B. Nutrient absorption. Which club did Paul Pogba return to in 2016 after leaving for Juventus? Is it A. Manchester United, B. Real Madrid, or C. Barcelona? It is A. Manchester United. Which space program did Wernher von Braun significantly contribute to in the United States? Is it A. Apollo, B. Galileo, or C. Voyager? It is A. Apollo. What charitable cause was Diana, Princess of Wales, particularly known for supporting? Is it A. Animal conservation, B. AIDS awareness, or C. Environmental protection? It is B. AIDS awareness. Which famous musical did Leonard Bernstein compose that is set in New York City and features rival gangs? Is it A. West Side Story, B. My Fair Lady, or C. Cats? It is A. West Side Story. What is the capital city of Indonesia? Is it A. Bali, B. Jakarta, or C. Surabaya? It is B. Jakarta. Which mountain did Edmund Hillary famously reach the summit of in 1953? Is it A. Mount Everest, B. K2, or C. Mount Kilimanjaro? It is A. Mount Everest. What was the title of the leader of the Holy Roman Empire? Is it A. King, B. Emperor, or C. Duke? It is B. Emperor. What is the largest ocean on Earth, covering more area than all land combined? Is it A. Pacific Ocean, B. Indian Ocean, or C. Atlantic Ocean? It is A. Pacific Ocean. Which Greek city-state is most famously associated with the defense at the Battle of Thermopylae in 480 BC? Is it A. Corinth, B. Athens, or C. Sparta? It is C. Sparta. What type of musical instrument is a ukulele? Is it A. String instrument, B. Wind instrument, or C. Percussion instrument? It is A. String instrument. What is the first letter of the Greek alphabet? Is it A. Alpha, B. Beta, or C. Gamma? It is A. Alpha. Which genre of music is Elvis Presley famously known for popularizing? Is it A, jazz, B, country, or C, rock and roll? It is C, rock and roll. What is the most famous painting displayed at the Louvre Museum in France? Is it A, Starry Night, B, Mona Lisa, or C, The Scream? It is B, Mona Lisa. What major social program did Andrés Manuel López Obrador implement to combat poverty in Mexico? Is it A, National Health Initiative, B, Youth Employment Program, or C, Green Energy Project? It is B, Youth Employment Program. Which type of bond forms between atoms when they share electrons? Is it A, ionic bond, B, hydrogen bond, or C, covalent bond? It is C, covalent bond. What primary function does the MyFitnessPal app serve? Is it A, meditation guidance, B, calorie tracking, or C, music streaming? It is B, calorie tracking. What organ in the brain is responsible for coordination and balance? Is it A, cerebellum, B, cerebrum, or C, hippocampus? It is A, cerebellum. Which famous muralist is known for his large-scale frescoes that depict Mexican society and history? Is it A, David Alfaro Siqueiros, B, Frida Kahlo, or C, Diego Rivera? It is C, Diego Rivera. What phenomenon describes a full moon that appears larger and brighter due to its close proximity to Earth? Is it A, harvest moon, B, blood moon, or C, supermoon? It is C, supermoon. What type of music is primarily celebrated at Jazz Fest in New Orleans? Is it A, jazz, B, rock, or C, hip-hop? It is A, jazz. What type of fuel cell uses hydrogen to generate electricity? Is it A, hydrogen fuel cell, B, lithium ion, or C, solar cell? It is A, hydrogen fuel cell. What term describes the dietary practice of eating primarily animal flesh? Is it A, herbivory, B, carnivory, or C, omnivory? It is B, carnivory. What is the main activity that Svalbard is famous for in relation to its wildlife? Is it A, Arctic mining, B, lighthousing, or C, coral farming? It is A, Arctic mining. What is the capital city of Sudan? Is it A, Port Sudan, B, Juba, or C, Khartoum? It is C, Khartoum. What is the name of the famous historical site located in Beijing that served as the imperial palace for Chinese emperors? Is it A, Forbidden City, B, Great Wall, or C, Temple of Heaven? It is A, Forbidden City. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.